Good morning, students. In last video, we are discussing about sports and nutrition chapter, about balanced diet and component of diet, that we are divided component of diet into two parts: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients divided into three parts: carbohydrate, protein and fats, and macronutrients divided into two parts: vitamins and minerals. In previous video we are talk about carbohydrate. In this video we are move on to our next nutrients: protein. Protein is also made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen molecule. Protein are complex organic compound
रिजेक्ट कर दो.
complex organic compound. It is building block of body. It is building block of a body, tissue and it also serve as a fuel, to our body. The main objective of protein is to repair and replace worn out tissue, and cells. Protein in our body used for proper growth and development. It also contain energy. 1 gram of protein contain 4.1 calorie. I am repeating that line again. 1 gram of protein contain how much calorie? It is 4.1 calorie. The sources of protein is pulses, milk, soybean, soybean, meat and fish. It is further divided into two types: plant protein and animal protein. The protein that comes or obtained from plant are known as plant protein, like pulses, soybean, and the protein that obtained from animals are known as animal protein, like fish and meat of animal. Move on to next topic: fats. One of the important nutrients of our body. It is also made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen molecule. Fats are considered as a good source of energy. They can easily store in our body. Fat can easily store in our body. It is used as a emergency source of energy. I am underlining the sentence, emergency source of energy. It is another name of fat, because as we all are know, carbohydrate give us instant energy, whereas fats store in our body as a fatty acid in adipose tissue, and it work as a emergency source of energy. Fat store in our body under the skin as a fatty acid. Fatty acid. 1 gram of fat contain largest amount of energy, 9.1 calorie. The sources of fat are milk, butter, oil, milk, butter, oil, etc. It is divided into two types: unsaturated unsaturated and saturated fat. Unsaturated fat are those fat which we can get from plants, like oil and saturated fat are those that we get from animals like dairy products. In our next video, we are talking about micronutrients, vitamins and minerals.